Hi folks, I'm Silvio, founder and CEO of Gusta, and today I'm really happy to introduce to you the new Vegan Seitan Burger to slice. Basically, it's a huge roast that braids the shape of a burger bun. You will see it's very yummy and very easy to use. Pretty easy. So each package will give you about 8 to 10 burgers depending on your appetite. With the extremities you can easily make little snacks or close your brochette. It works pretty well. You can keep them up to 10 days in the fridge. Optimal cooking on the grill or a pan at home. And that's it. So enjoy!